Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn a new topic, conjunctions. It's on page number 85 in your grammar text, so please turn to page number 85. You all are familiar with the word conjunction because you have learned in the previous class. Conjunctions are words which connect 2-3 words or sentences together to form a single sentence. There are different words of different conjunctions used for different situations. So today we are going to learn about conjunction. Okay. So there are a few examples in the beginning of the text itself. So we shall see to that. The first example is I love chocolate, I love ice cream. I love chocolate and ice cream. Here we can see that the idea is same. I love chocolate, I love ice cream. So you can write it together as I love chocolate and ice cream. The second example is Jyoti is tall, Sama is short. So here it is opposite. So when we have opposite ideas, we can use the conjunction but. Jyoti is tall, but Sama is short. So, and there is one more example. Will you have tea or coffee? And those words written in bold letters are said to be conjunctions which help us to connect those sentences or words together. Now there is a description about conjunction in the box. Conjunction are joining words. They are used to join 2 or more words or sentences. Now there are some more examples of conjunctions. They are happy though they are poor. We started our journey when the train stopped. You will do well in the exam if you study hard. Try and try until you succeed. She missed the bus because she woke up late in the morning. Here also the words written in bold font are said to be the conjunctions. Now we will see once again. They are happy though they are poor. They have the same situation but different ideas. So we use the conjunction though. We started our journey when the rain stopped. So when did they start? The conjunction when starts tells about the timing. So when did they start their journey? When the rain stopped. You will do well in the exam if you study hard. Here the conjunction if is used as a condition. For example, if you study hard, you will score good marks in the exam. So there is a condition. So if you do that, you will be getting something. So there is a condition. So the conjunction if is used as a condition. The next one is until. Try and try until you succeed. Until means till that point of time. So keep on doing something until you get a result of it. She missed the bus because she woke up late in the morning. So there is a reason. Why did she miss the bus? Because she woke up late in the morning. Now there are some more conjunctions. The use of a conjunction actually depends upon what we want to say. So there are use of same conjunctions in different situations. Read the following and you will notice that we have used different conjunctions to convey different ideas. I will start reading. Please listen carefully. I will go home. The first conjunction is and. I will go home and do my homework. The next one. I will go home but I will not take you along. Third one. I will go home because I am tired. I will go home or I will stay back. I will go home if I get the air tickets. I will go home when I get leave. So we can use the different conjunctions in different situations or to have different ideas. Okay. Now we will see some more conjunctions and when they can be used. So it is a rule like, so if you know the rules, it will be very easy for you to use which conjunctions at which situations and with what ideas. Okay. The first one is and. The conjunction and shows addition and is used when the statements are similar. So in the previous slide I told when we have similar ideas we can have the conjunction and. Now the example is she went to the market, she bought 2 apples. So the situation is same. She went to the market, she bought 2 apples. So we can write, she went to the market and she bought 2 apples. She went to the market and she bought 2 apples. We can use the conjunction and to join a list of words. Example, I like apples, bananas and oranges, and this and is used at the towards the end of the sentence before the last example. I will read it again. I like apples, bananas and oranges. The next conjunction is but. But is used to connect statements that express opposite ideas. Same, in the previous slide I told you, when we have opposite ideas or situations, we can use the conjunction but. Now the example, we played well, we lost the match. So the first one is, they played well but they lost the match. So we played well but we lost the match. So both are opposite ideas, so we can use the conjunction but. Moving on, the next main conjunction is or. It connects 2 alternatives. 2 alternative means 2 options, like you can have, in simple words it is option, choice. Example, you can have ice cream, you can have chocolates. So there are options, any one only you can have only one. So you can have ice cream or chocolates. So or is used as an option or a choice. The next one is because. It is used to state a reason, because it is used to tell about a reason. Example, she came first, he was well prepared for the examination. He came first, he was well prepared for the examination. So when we write it together, he came first because he was well prepared for the examination. He came first because he was well prepared for the examination. So those are few rules that you have to keep in mind when you want to use these 4, that is and, but, or, because. Okay, so if you keep these rules in your mind, you will be able to use these conjunctions wherever it is necessary. Now we will go into some exercises. Exercise A is on page number 86. In that you have to underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. Ram is naughty but Shyam is studious. Now those are two nouns are said, about two nouns are mentioned in this sentence. Ram is naughty but Shyam is studious. In that but is the conjunction. So please underline but there. Second one, what do you like, bananas or oranges? It's an option, choice. So or is the conjunction. Please do the rest of the questions by yourself. Now moving on to exercise B. Use and to join the following sentences. We went to the market, we bought vegetables. It's similar to the example again. So we can write, we went to the market and bought vegetables. So and is used after the word market. We went to the market and bought vegetables. Now second sentence, we went to the station, we boarded the Rajdhani Express. So again you have to use the word conjunction and. We went to the station and boarded the Rajdhani Express. So here we do not use the word we there, okay. We do not use the pronoun we there. So we went to the station and boarded the Rajdhani Express. I hope you understood. Now you may do the rest of the questions by yourself. Now moving on to exercise C, it is to use but, the conjunction but. Use but to join the following sentences. The journey was long, we enjoyed it. The journey was long, but we enjoyed it. Okay, the journey was long, but we enjoyed it. Second one, he failed many times, he never lost hope. So both are opposite ideas. He failed many times, he never lost hope. So when we add the conjunction but, it can be, we failed many times but, he failed many times but he never lost hope. Okay, he failed many times but never lost hope. Same in the previous slide, you have to do the rest of the questions by yourself. Now moving on, the next conjunction to use is or. Exercise D, use or to join the following. Finish your breakfast quickly, you will be late for school. Finish your breakfast quickly or you will be late for school. So once again I will repeat, finish your breakfast quickly or you will be late for school. Next one, take an umbrella, you will get wet. Take an umbrella, you will get wet. So what will be the answer? Take an umbrella or you will get wet. So take an umbrella or you will get wet. You may please do the next two questions by yourself. Moving on, the next conjunction is because. So because is used to tell about a reason. I told in the beginning. So in the beginning, in a sense, just now when I read the rules, I mentioned because is used to say about reason. Exercise E, use because to join the following sentences. So you have to use the conjunction because here. I went to the doctor, I was sick. I went to the doctor, I was sick. So what will be the answer if you add the conjunction because? I went to the doctor because I was sick. So what is the reason? The particular person went to the doctor because that particular individual was sick. I went to the doctor because I was sick. Now moving on to the second one. We went to the library, we had some work. So why did they go to the library? Because they had some work. So we went to the library because we had some work. Now there are some more conjunctions that can be used in different situations. I will read it. The conjunction, the first one is both. Both is used to talk about two persons or things. Example, both my brother and sister are doctors. So it's the same idea. So when there are similar person or things, for noun, we can say noun, we can use the word both. For example, you may use both your hand to mix the clay. So you can both the hands to two hands. Both is used to talk about two persons or things. Until is used to show a point of time. So in the beginning, in the previous page, there were some examples in which there was a use of word conjunction until. So until is used to show a point of time. They study until their parents returned from office. So until that particular period of time. Okay, the conjunction until is used to mention about that particular period of time. Particular period in the sense a point of time, till that point of time, that moment of time. They study until their parents return from office. The next conjunction is when. When is used to show two events happening at the same time. So two things are happening. They play football when it rains. So it is raining, they are playing, or one stops and the other one begins. In the previous page there was an example, they started their journey when the rain stopped. So one is stopping and the other one is starting. It also mentions about the time, a point of time. So is used to show the purpose of something. Similarly, you get a result and it can be used. I exercise daily, so I lost weight. Because of doing something, something else happened. So it can be used as the purpose of something. I studied hard, so I scored good marks. Next one is if. If is used to show a condition. As I said in the beginning, if is used to show about a condition. She will drop you home if you are late. So if you are late, it is a condition. If you become late, she will drop you. If you learn well or if you speak well, your language will improve. So if you want to improve your language, you have to start speaking every now and then. Okay, so if you speak all the time, you will develop that particular language, the language which you are used to speak. Okay, yes. The next conjunction is either or. Either or are used to show one thing or person. They either eat outside on Sundays or get food packed for home. So it is about one thing. We mention only one thing with the use of conjunction either or. Okay, now we will move on. Exercise F. Match the following to make meaningful sentences. First one, Ranu missed the bus stop. Options are, Sonu went down to play, but she did not panic as the sun began to set when his mother was away, so I returned it to the library. Ranu missed the bus, but she did not panic. Ranu missed the school bus, but she did not panic. Second one, he completed his homework when his mother was away. He completed his homework when his mother was away. Now exercise D is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions from those given in the box. The options are because, and, if, or, both, when, but, until. The first one, we study dash, our father comes from office. So, it's a point of time. We study until our father comes from office. Second one, we don't watch television, dash, we have exams. So, they don't watch exams, they don't watch television, dash, we have exams. We don't watch television when we have exams. Those two are completed now. So, you may please do the rest of the exercises which the teacher hasn't done. Exercises means the questions in all the exercises which the teacher has not discussed. Okay. So, thank you. Learn the portion very well. Thank you very much, children. See you in the next class.